Honda Civic of my son. New look, new bumper, new side skirt, new spoiler. Change the tail light as well, headlight. We're here in Litfield. So in the Civic. That's my son.
Umangat yun.
Kaya siya mababa.
Kaya niyong pawain.
Kaya yung side skirt niya mababa. May air suspension siya. Galing nga yun, no? Yeah, this one. Nice interior with renewable steering wheel. Nice on the Civic. It's the older and there's the new one. It's on the Civic as well. This one is very nice. Very nice color. There's another one on the Civic here. Babae din, ang ganda, no? Removable din, no? Yung steering wheel niya. Ayo. Ay, hindi mo siya basta maano, ano? Naku.
Kahit magdala ka ng katulad na may takip yun sa kanila.
Hindi mo siya basta makukuha. Nice color. The Civic. See the new version of Honda Civic.
Pinukas ka pa yung likod.